single turning with multiple steps. Write CNC program for given workpiece as shown below. So this is the workpiece diagram. The required diameter and length are given here. We have to perform simulation. We have to write the CNC program and perform simulation using cut-to-turn software. Process plan is given here. That is operation plane turning process. Tool T1. Cutting parameters are speed 200, feed 60, depth of cut 1. So this is the program required for performing that particular machining operation. So we have to write the CNC program as well as we have to simulate the CNC program using cut-to-turn software. So this is cut-to-turn software. File new Fanuc 01234 G21 G97 G98 G28 U0W0 M06 T1 M03S200 M08. So this is startup block. Startup block is almost same for all program. N01 G00X0Z1 N02 G00X0Z0 N03 G00X29Z0 Z0. Then you have to start the run, rebuild. So we are always using standard tool. So standard tool having following tool geometry 40, 25, 0, 10, 3. Stock diameter 30 and stock length 100, 0. Then N04 G01 X29 Z minus 70 F60 okay. Then N05 G01 X30 Z minus 70 F60. Then N06 G00 X30 Z0. Okay. Then N07 G00 X28 Z0. Then N08 G01 X28 Z minus 30 F60. N09 G01 X30 Z0 X30 Z minus 30 F60. Then N10 G00 X30 Z0. Okay. Then this is the programming block. Last we have tried the end of block, that is G28 U0W0 M05 M09 M38 M10 M30. Okay, so this is the program for the CNC program, CNC machining operation. This is a program for the machining operation. Setup. Okay. Okay.